I'm Judy Frank for Expert Village, and we're going to be doing some nail art today. Okay, now the hardest part is picking your colors. It's really up to you. It's one of those things it doesn't really matter. You can't really make a mistake. You just want to get lots of layers. But when I think of a sunset, which that's what we're doing today, is a sunset beach scene, I like to have variety of colors so it looks like a sun going down. So we're going to start off picking colors that look like the sun is setting. So what I'll do is I'll take a little paint, a little pink paint, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that going real quickly up around her cuticles. It doesn't even matter that it goes all the way down. We just want to make sure that it gets up there close to the cuticle and starts the layering process. Now this is one of those things, if you have like little, I'm getting some little pieces of like little blobbies in my paint. That happens once in a while. I don't really know why, but clean your brush and start over, grab another little speck of paint, and we'll keep going. And if you see any little blobs, you can get them out right away with your brush. Just keep moving it around until you get it out. Sometimes it's a little piece of hardened pigment in the paint bottle itself that comes out. And it might just be that the paint's old. It's hard to tell. I didn't see too much of this before, but it seems like I've been getting a little bit of that lately. I just knock them off and brush it off on my paper towel. It's not a problem, and just keep going. The only time that might be a problem, like you can see sometimes, is that if you're doing a real detailed, say a face or something, you don't want those little blobs to end up on there. That would be a little hard to get off of that kind of detail. So we got our base coat down. And now you start thinking of different colors that you can layer up with. So I'm mixing a little bit of this red and yellow together to try to get like some sunset colors. And I'm just going to start slapping it on there just real quickly. And I can see that if her fingers are still a little stiff, you just move them and it'll get them loosened up again. But if you picture a sunset, you're going to want to make sure that you kind of keep going down with your colors so it looks more authentic, because when you're building these out, you're not going to see all those little details like the pink, behind it, like there's no stripes. It's going to have clouds in front of it. We always put layers of things, so that's going to help cover some of the things that we're doing right now.